Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Xbox fridge. Yeah, I kind of bought this as a joke, and I do have the regular Xbox Series X right there. I'll do a size comparison, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's unbox it. So I'm not in my usual area, which I use for unboxings, and the reason why is because look how big this is. It's actually pretty damn big, and hopefully it isn't too big, if you know what I'm saying. Let's see. They did put non-English, even though this is an English box. I'm assuming they sell this in the UK and Europe. This is the UK version. So let's pull this off here. I did buy this from eBay because it was cheaper. Literally was cheaper as well. Like this, you'd think scalpers they charge more, but I guess because there's a lot of stock of this and it's not in too high demand, that's the reason why. I literally had my pre-order since December, didn't arrive, and then I decided to just cancel my pre-order, do a quick order from eBay, and then the next day. Well, actually it took 2 days, but you know, whatever. So let's take a look at this here. Xbox Series X replica mini fridge. I wonder when the Series S mini fridge is coming. And okay, cooler placement, plugging in your cooler. So the important part I see is there's no parts that need to be replaced. That's all I care about, because you know there could be like some part that like cause the fridge that you need to replace. And yeah, so I'm gonna need to cut to get this out. Okie dokie, so I took it out. So let's see. Okay, so I'm kind of shocked on myself for forgetting this. So there's this sides area here. This is what you used to open up, like so. Obviously there's no power. This button clicks. This button also clicks. This button does not click. If you look at the top, it does have the same green, but it does not look the same. I do have my Series X, so I'm going to set it up right next to it, and we'll do a quick size comparison. Okay, so this was a bit bigger than I was expecting. I thought it'd be like this, but 5 times higher. And clearly, I didn't quite think that it would be like this. So, I really have no clue where I'm going to put this. The original plan was to put it here, but you can see it doesn't really fit. Yeah. Well, I didn't quite think this decision through. As you can see, I do need to find a space to put this, and I'm going to cut to once I have that space and I have everything set up and everything is, you know, fully working, ready to go. So you can see, first of all, I did take the wires out and move my original Xbox Series X. So just put it here. I really have no clue where I'm going to put this stuff. I don't think the fridge is going to stay here. It would be nice if it was here, but it's probably not going to stay here. But the thing is, I saw is this. So it seems like when you get this, you're going to get a car charger. I'm assuming this area plugs into the Series X. I was about to say console, the fridge, and then this plugs into a car. Do correct me if I'm wrong. I do think the important charger is this one right here. I'm assuming because these are the same output. So this is a car. This is an actual, you know, a house. So I'm going to plug this in, and we'll see how things go. Real quick before I actually, you know, put this in a spot that I have made room for. First, we can see all these ports. This is like, you know, simulating the actual ports. You can't use these, like this charger, you can't use all that good stuff. And you can see Xbox, but made by UK Onic, I'm assuming, because that says UK on it. If you're in the US, it'd be made by another company. Then we have DC and AC. So if I'm looking at this charger, this looks like AC. So you'd plug this in for the, you know, the house. DC, I'm assuming, is the car. You have Eco, Off, and Max. I'll test all those modes in just a bit, but let me actually put this in to the hole, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, guys, so I have just turned it on. Now, first of all, you will notice that there is a small noise that comes out. However, this fan actually makes more noise, and it's on the lowest level. I think it's like bugged. It's like makes some weird spinning noise, but it does make a noise. It's like a white noise. It is very quiet, so you know, I'm perfectly fine with this. Let's take a look at what mode I'm on. I think I'm on Eco. Oh, okay. So the max mode is quite loud, to be honest. If I'm just keeping it real with you, what I'm assuming you could do is put it on max mode to like properly cool the thing down, and then put it on Eco mode to, you know, just leave it as it is. I haven't, like, you can see this area isn't this area is very tidy. I'm gonna tidy it up. If we take a look, the Xbox logo isn't, there's no like sign here. You can see obviously the lights, and I wouldn't recommend poking in there. You can actually, I think you can poke in there, because you can see parts they don't want to poke in, they make it very clear you can't poke in. These areas, of course you can. I'm assuming that's obviously for safety. That's a big fan. I wouldn't want to, you know. Right, let's take a look at this. Okay, so this toggle changes the fan, the ejection for the CD. And let's check the bottom one. And the bottom one, which is the sync button, that changes the Xbox logo on and off. Okay, so that is interesting. Let's take a look at the back. Have I missed anything? And you know what's great about Android is you can actually turn on the flash mid-recording. Seriously. Right, let's have a look here. So, Eco off max, that's the only options, there's nothing else. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave it on max to, you know, have everything nice and cool. Then I'm just gonna put it on Eco. And yeah, so is this worth it? Well, in fact, I could end the video here, or I could actually put this into real world usage. So I'm gonna be back. Alright, so I got this 250ml can here, and let's open this up. My god, you can't really do this one hand. They did not make it easy, hey? 1 second. Oh, there we go. Use your finger and your thumb. So, with this can, on the bottom shelf, which has the most room, you can't actually stand it up. Same with the second shelf. So I'm assuming what you do is you put it like this. There you go. You can see you're not going to stack cans like that. So I can see probably 3 to 4 here. And maybe the short and fatter cans you can put in these 2 rows. Seems like you can move these out. So you move these trays out. So you could probably readjust them so that the taller cans do fit. But I'm just going to leave it like this because, you know, it's perfectly fine. Then of course you've got the snack shelves. It seems like you can remove these as well. They do add the clips. So if you wanted to store more cans, I'm assuming that's the reason why. So I'll put some more cans in later and we'll see how things go. Alright, so let's perform this test live. So you can see this was the larger one, 250ml, this is. And then you have the 330ml one, which is, you know, shorter but wider. You can see Coke Zero. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. And the first complaint I really do have about this is a lot of the time, when I'm opening this, I end up hitting this button here, which turns on these lights. And honestly, I just prefer that the lights are off. But you know, you may want them on, whatever. That's really on you. Okay, so let's open this up here. So I haven't changed the configuration around. And let's see, do these fit? There it is. They do actually fit. So the short cans, they do fit. Let's do a math calculation, see how many you could actually fit in the middle row. So it seems like you can fit a total of 4 in here, because the snack shelf, I'm assuming, would block you from fitting 3. Let's run the test. Might as well, yeah, you can't fit 3 there. And the bottom row as well, you can also fit. So 4 here, and I'm assuming, let's see actually this. Can you do this? You can do this. So total of 7, seems like cans. Can you fit multiple in this top row here? No. So 4 here, 4 here, 3 here. Let's see, if you put this sideways, can you fit any more? I'm actually curious about this, you guys. It seems like you may be able to fit a total of like 5 cans, maybe? 1, 2, no, I'd say 4. You'd be pushing 5. So yeah, 4, 8, 11 total. And yeah, obviously you can put your snacks on the side. So, is this worth it? Yeah, I don't know. It's really, do you actually need this? Because you know, if you need something like this, then obviously it's going to be worth it. But at the end of the day, I think the room is quite limited for what you are, you know, getting. Let's just keep it real here. But it is pretty darn cool. If you're an Xbox guy like I am, enjoy your Xboxes. Hey, you now have this as well. So yeah, I'm not 100% on it, but what's done is done at the end of the day. In the summer, it's definitely going to be useful. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.